What's the Fourth Amendment?
I did not go inside your vehicle.
What is the Fourth Amendment? The Fourth Amendment means what? Search and seizures?
Yes.
What does search and seizures mean?
So I'm not going back.
No. I need to know if you know the Fourth Amendment. You're trying to find a reason.
Sir?
And I'm a homeless veteran. You didn't have a reason to pursue anything with me. You didn't have a reason to pursue me in the gym when I went in there. You didn't have a reason to harass me and chase me to the gym over there.
This female officer approached the veteran's parked vehicle, repeatedly knocking on his window. When he refused to roll it down or produce ID, she grew defensive and attempted to explain her actions without providing a clear reason. According to Georgia law, OCGA section 161136, a person is not required to show ID or comply unless there's reasonable suspicion of a crime. Frustrated, he announced he was heading into the gym and asked her to step aside.
Excuse me. I got a question.
Are you going to give me your ID?
No, I just got a question. I got a quick question. You serve the public, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you know what the Fourth Amendment is?
I do.
What's the Fourth Amendment?
I did not go inside your vehicle.
What is the Fourth Amendment? The Fourth Amendment means what? Search and seizures?
Yes.
What does search and seizures mean?
So I'm not going back.
No. I need to know if you know the Fourth Amendment.
You know it.
Do you? The Fourth Amendment is the right to know unreasonable searches or seizures. No unreasonable.
I did not search your vehicle.
You demanded that I give you an ID for no reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime. And you specifically said there was no crime.
I explained it to you.
You decided to try and you tried to trespass me from a public parking lot.
I told you.
What's your name and badge number?
Corporal S. Johnson, SO 1422.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
And ma'am,
Sir? No, not going to shake your hand.
I don't have any disrespect for you personally.
You've been disrespectful.
Not personally.
I'm not going to shake
Professionally,
your hand.
you didn't do your job right.
The officer moved quickly to the gym's front desk, attempting to have the veteran trespassed from the property. Despite her efforts, he was within his rights to question her authority, as the gym is open to the public and he holds a membership. Under OCGA section 161139, disturbing the peace is unlawful, but questioning a public servant's actions in this context doesn't meet this standard. When he declined to provide ID a second time, she left, returning to her car.
Professionally, you didn't do your job right.
I am definitely doing.
You're not. You're trying to selectively prosecute. You're trying to dig for things.
I'm not digging for anything.
You're trying to find a reason. And I'm a homeless veteran. Do you understand that?
Exactly. So homeless. So
do you know what that means?
No, sir.
My life is already hard enough, and you're out here trying to make it harder as a sheriff who serves the people?
I told you cannot sleep on this property. You cannot be here.
I wasn't sleeping.
You cannot stay and camp out on this property.
I was
this
parked.
This is not a campground.
It's not a campground.
Camping on the parking lot.
I have a membership at that Planet Fitness right there in this public parking lot. It's a 24-hour gym. Everyone else is parked here right there. How do you know that?
Because I've been here for hours.
And how do you know I've been in the car for hours?
Sir, you have all four windows covered.
But how do you know what you just asserted?
Sir?
Because you need evidence to make those assertions, ma'am.
I've been circling the parking lot.
Look, I love you. I don't mean anything personal.
No, it's not
But I need
personal.
evidence for what you're saying.
I've been here for hours. I've been circling the parking lot. I have observed your car blacked out with all the windows, the shade covered.
There's nothing illegal wrong with that.
There's no sun here.
Nothing illegal with that.
Right now, you
nothing
have
illegal
all four
about
windows
that.
Blocked out.
That's okay.
So you are camping out. You are camping out on
Not
this.
necessarily.
You just said that you're homeless.
That's
you just
true.
Said that you're homeless.
That doesn't mean I'm camping here.
So you're using this parking lot to camp out. The owners of
That's
this
not
property,
true. And you don't know that to be true.
The owners of this property.
That doesn't matter. This is a public and open parking lot with people coming and going at all hours of the night, so it doesn't matter. It's irrelevant.
After returning to his vehicle, the veteran noticed the officer parked nearby, her car directly facing his. He questioned her continued focus on him, as public parking laws under OCGA section 40-6-203 allow parking in any unrestricted, non-obstructive area. Her behavior suggested an attempt to intimidate, despite his his legal right to be there. He advised her to respect his space and property, emphasizing that the lot is open to the public.
So you don't have a good reason.
I do.
That was all bad reasoning.
No, that's
That was
your
all.
opinion, sir.
No, it's not reasonable,
Do you
articulate
have any more
suspicion of a
questions for me, sir?
crime.
Do you have any more questions
Because
for
it
me?
wasn't a crime for me to
Do
do
you have any
any
more
of the
questions
things
for
that
me,
I
sir?
did. No, you spelled
Do you
out
have any more
that you
questions
know
for
that
me,
you
sir?
didn't have a reason to ask
Never
me
said
for
that.
a license.
Never said that.
You didn't have a reason to pursue
have a
anything
good
with
one,
me.
sir.
You didn't have a reason to pursue me in the gym when I went in there.
have a good
You didn't
one,
have a
sir.
reason to harass me and chase me to the
I
gym
didn't
over
chase
there.
you in there.
You did.
Okay, if that's your opinion.
You did.
Yes,
It's
sir.
not my opinion.
Okay.
There's evidence.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You have a great night.
You as well. Please stay away from my vehicle and my things.
This is a public.
The end.
This is a public park
The end.
that I work in.
After the interaction, the officer parked her patrol vehicle in front of the man's car with her lights on, seemingly waiting to find any reason to arrest him. The man then approached her to ask why she was targeting him.
Here's that cop still sitting here. Turned to face me. Ma'am, I just got a quick question. Ma'am. Ma'am, I just got a quick question, please.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, I just got a quick question.
Yes, sir.
Are you just waiting for me to get out of here?
No, sir.
Are you, like, targeting me at this point?
No, sir. I'm working.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Are you done with me at this point?
I'm not saying anything to you at this point.
I respect that.
Okay. Thank
Hey,
you, sir.
I really have no hard feelings against you personally. I really hope you didn't take it that way.
I hope you don't take it as me harassing you. I'm just doing my job.
Look, I do feel like I know you have a job to do here,
I do have-
and I appreciate that you keep the parking lot secure.
Thank you, sir.
I do. And I respect you because I believe what you do is hard.
Thank you, sir.
But I need to know that you're not just out to get me now
I'm not-
because we had a
I'm
disagreement.
doing my job.
Okay, because it just seemed like you kept turning to face my
From
car
anybody,
each.
From any, I can stand anywhere in this parking lot. I am.
Well, that's not wrong. Yeah, that's true. Which so can I, right?
At this point, no, sir.
No, I can. It's open public parking lot, so I can stand anywhere too.
I explained to you
Yes.
that the owners of the property do not want people camping out, sleeping in their vehicles. This is why they hired law enforcement officers to come here to secure and make the parking lot safe.
So the sheriff is paid by the owners of the property?
Yes, that's
Oh, the sheriff?
They hire me.
They hire you personally.
Yes, sir.
Interesting. So you work for the sheriff, but you personally are hired by them?
I am.
I'm not trying to make it difficult.
You are.
No, I'm not. I'm asking questions. I'm just trying to learn.
Okay, so
No, really.
they don't want homeless. They don't want the extra trucks. They don't want loitering. They don't want soliciting, and they have every right to say what they want on their property. So this is
That's all
came
true.
to you, and I tried to explain that to you, and you're choosing not to. So you have a good one, sir.
Well, I mean,
sir.
it's not that I'm choosing not to. It's you explained personal feelings.
I'm not- that's
You
not
didn't
a
explain the
feeling.
law
That's not a feeling,
because
sir.
you didn't have a law to enforce, and that's why you're letting me go because there's no law you can enforce.
The officer maintained she was performing her security duties, though she focused specifically on him without grounds. He reminded her that under the Fourth Amendment, citizens are protected from unreasonable searches and seizures, a principle reinforced by OCGA Section 161025, which prohibits harassment under color of law. Her repeated demands for ID, lacking any suspected criminal activity, crossed a boundary into unlawful intrusion.
Even by walking up to you in a public parking lot as a pedestrian asking you questions. And you're waiting until I break a law to come after me. That's what I'm worried about because now I feel like you might be trying to target me. That's why I'm worried.
That's your feeling.
Well, otherwise you'd be nailing me to the wall in there.
Okay, sir.
That's how you guys function.
Okay, sir.
And I don't mean to be. That's how the sheriff functions. That's how police function as a general culture.
Yes, sir.
So at this point, The reason you're not actually hemming me up for something is because there's no law I've broken, and I'm still standing here in this parking lot. I'm still not breaking law.
The veteran highlighted that her focus on him, given his status as a homeless individual, was discriminatory and unsupported. Selective targeting without probable cause is an abuse of authority under OCGA Section 1610(2). He was parked legally with an active gym membership, and her neglect of other vehicles in the area underscored her selective approach. He reiterated that his rights to use the facility and public parking were valid.
Even by walking up to you in a public parking lot as a pedestrian asking you questions. And you're waiting until I break a law to come after me. That's what I'm worried about, because now I feel like you might be trying to target me. That's why I'm worried.
That's your feeling.
Well, I mean, it is a feeling, yeah.
I'm not continuing to go to your car. You're continuing to come to me.
Well, you did keep circling and aiming at my car, so that was, I mean, you did.
Engaging me, sir.
Yeah, and I will.
You engaged me 4 times, sir.
That's 3, actually.
Okay, then. So you keep...
Because you engaged me the first time,
yes,
didn't you?
That you had to leave the property and you couldn't stay here. And
But that was all wrong.
you could not camp out on the property. Yes.
But I wasn't.
Right.
So all of that was wrong, and I wasn't doing that. So you were wrong about all of that,
So at this
right?
point, are you harassing me?
No, I can't be. You're a public servant.
Okay, sir.
So I can't be. You have to be.
Okay.
That's what you're doing. And actually, it's not harassment, really. You're just targeting me.
I'm not.
So it's called it'll be selective prosecution when I look around at all these other cars parked, and you're not coming up to them telling them to leave. You don't know that. You don't know that. You don't know any of these cars over here. You don't know that van. You can't see in the back of these things.
Yes, sir.
You don't know for sure.
That's what you.
You're just you're just believing things.
Yes, sir.
Because you've been here for hours, right?
Yes,
But you weren't here all day.
Yes, sir. Yes, your opinion, sir.
Well, my opinion happens to be right.
Okay.
Have a good one.
The officer asserted her actions were due to the property owner's stance on overnight stays by homeless individuals. However, OCGA Section 16-7-21 specifies that trespassing requires either clear signage or a direct order from the property owner, neither of which he'd been given. Without legitimate grounds, her actions appeared focused on harassment and selective enforcement. She eventually left, but he remained prepared to challenge any further attempts at intimidation. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.